think about the student leader who's in the number 3 category, this student leader, when you think about leadership, not only are they putting in the work in school, but they're also putting in the work outside of school. Not only are they super respectful to their friends, but they're also super respectful to their parents too. Not only are they going extra and above when everybody's watching, they're also putting in the best work when nobody's watching. And if you're a leader like that, number one, I'm super happy that you're here. And number two, this Power Up experience is still gonna take you to the next level.
I realized that I no longer had to be ashamed of and embarrassed about where I lived and where I grew up, because one day that's going to be a part of my story, one that I would use one day to travel all across the nation and inspire students to become great leaders and somehow end up in March of 2026 in Charleston, South Carolina, to remind South Carolina HOSA students that even when life gets tough, you can still power up. You can still be a champion of change.